My name is Abhay Pruthi, and I'm Senior Product Manager with TELUS. One of the key initiatives that I'm working on is bringing TELUS Business Marketplace from its vision to a reality for TELUS business customers.
Welcome to Architech Explains. My name is Carolin Path, Senior Client Partner here at Architect. Today, we're excited to dive deep into our latest venture with TELUS as we sit down with Abhay Pruthi to discuss the TELUS Business Marketplace. Abhay, can you share a bit about your role here at TELUS and provide a brief overview of the TELUS Business Marketplace?
One of my key roles or initiatives that I'm looking at is launching a new ecosystem for TELUS Business where we can offer products to our customers in a unique way. And TBM, or TELUS Business Marketplace, is not just a platform, it's a vision, it's an initiative that we had. It's a digital one-stop shop that helps the customers to learn, buy, and deliver the products as well. Everything is done in few minutes. Or the learn and buy journey takes like few minutes, and then how we deliver the products, it takes few days as compared to the previous processes that we had that used to take like weeks.
What would you say are some measurable improvements that you've observed since the project's completion, such as a faster deployment or increase in satisfaction? Can you share a little bit more about what you've seen since Architect's been involved and as well as just the launch of TBM?
One of the key improvements is product time to market. From the day we create a concept and to the day the customer is able to buy a product, that has been reduced by almost like from 10 months to almost like 8 weeks. That's a huge improvement. And imagine when I say this improvement, it's not just about the timing, it's about the cost savings and the amount of manpower that we have to bringing the product to the market through TBM is being reduced by almost like 60%. The other improvements we have is time to order. As I said, it's a self-serve. At the same time, sales can also onboard a customer. That can be done in like few minutes. As of today, or maybe before TBM, it used to take like 2 to 3 weeks to submit an order. And then from there, once the order is submitted, time to provision. Through TBM, the product can be delivered in like few days, and that's just a start. As compared to what we used to do previously, it used to take like weeks. So there's a clear improvement of around 80% reduction in time to deliver the product.
Abhay, can you tell me a little bit more what future possibilities are available for TBM and what that success could mean for you?
Yeah, and TBM is not just an e-commerce platform or an e-commerce channel for our customers. That's just a start. A customer, any business customer can come, learn, and if they like it, they can purchase a product and we'll deliver the product in few days. Going forward, we're looking to grow this TBM initiative that we have, both vertically and horizontally. Vertically, when I say vertically, we're looking to bring more products into the perspective. And it's not just going to be the product, it's the complex solutions, which is tedious for our existing ecosystem or for our customers to understand. This TBM will give a different flavor to it. So we're looking to bring more products, but most importantly, we're looking to add new features through TBM as well. We launch self-serve, where the customers come, learn, buy, and the products get delivered. We are looking to launch an experience for the sales team as well, where they can interact with the customers and get rid of all the existing legacy systems that TELUS has. Create an order for the customer to sign the contract digitally. That takes weeks as of today, but going forward, it can be done in few minutes. One of the key initiatives that we have is how we can leverage AI and AI capabilities through TBM. There's no end for when we talk about AI. AI can be as less as robot as well, but that's how we are looking to build this ecosystem. It's not just we get an order from the customer, we are done. It's the complete end-to-end support for the entire customer life cycle, starting from learn and till the time the customer is with us. We could leverage TBM to support the customer.
Can you tell me a little bit more about what the specific reasons that led to you to selecting Architect for the strategic partner for this project?
The reason we selected Architect is not just for creating some designs, but it's about the strategic approach that they bring on the table. The kind of design teams Architect brings on the table is the researchers who find out what is good for the customers. The kind of strategies that they bring on the table for us from a business perspective. And again, it's not a consumer marketplace, it's a business marketplace. And that's where Architect stands unique in how they deliver the designs for us, how they deliver the communication that we want to have for our customers, or how they help us to educate our customers from the initial intent we had to the place where the customers are able to know more about the product and the services that we are offering through TBM.
That's really great to hear that the experience that you had with our team. Can you share what it was like to collaborate with Architect?
The approach that Architect brings on the table is the experience. It's not just about we communicating what we need to build and they're building it for us. We are communicating our vision, we're communicating our goals, and that's the outcome is clearly what we have on what we have rolled out is approach that allows us our customers to learn more about in a clear communication manner. And when I'm talking about the customer, it's not a consumer customer again, it's a business customer. So the language that they understand is different, and that is the perspective that Architect brings on the table from their researchers, strategists, the UI designers, and the business acumen that they bring for us. It's something unique that I've never seen before.
What do you envision Architect's role in this expansion that you envision for TBM?
And I think it's going to be continuous. I mean, as I said, it's not just going to be a designs, which most people might think. It's going to be the business acumen, strategies. We need to work together. 1+1 might be 11 in this case, and that's what we have proven. Architect will help us create that short-term and the long-term goals, at the same time help us deliver or execute those goals as well from the vision that we have for TELUS Business. It's going to help us make the experience better for our customers.
If there were some insights that you'd like to share with other technology leaders from this experience, what would that be?
And I think that's something that I've learned over the last 12 or 14 months. I would say any tech leader, any technology individual who might be a coder, be a customer for a day. At least once in a year, be a customer and think from the customer's perspective. Think from what the customers are even thinking before they actually come to you and talk about any of the products. And then start to work on something that is always going to enhance the customer experience. And the day you are running after creating an experience, you will create something new. The other thing is, I think it's important, super important to fail fast. And that's what we believe in. I mean, it's important to create a concept into something that can be executed. And you should not worry about failing. I mean, if you fail, means that you're one step closer to the success. And I think for any business or for any technology leaders as well, please try to fail fast. And if you don't try that, if you don't practice that, if you don't bring that habit into your ecosystem, you are many steps away from creating a great customer experience. And that's what we learned from TBM. We fail many times, and that's the result that we have today is the unique experience that no other carrier has in Canada right now.
It's fantastic to hear, and we're really grateful to be partnered with you as well. And this project has been very interesting. Looking forward to seeing how it will expand. And so I feel like, we've just scratched the surface with this launch. What would you say is the ideal experience for TBM if we look like 5 years from now?
The dream that we have is to allow the customers to interact with us digitally. Customer must be able to submit an order in like few seconds, and the product must get delivered in few minutes. That's the ideal vision we have. That's the dream we have. And when I talk about the products, it's just not about the product, it's the complex solutions, it's the customized solutions. The vision we have from TELUS's TBS perspective, today we have like 100+ products in our ecosystem. The vision is there shouldn't be any one product which has not been offered through TBM. There shouldn't be any one product which cannot be delivered in few minutes. And that's what I call a real differentiator or the real experience that we want to build. And that's a dream. That's a 5-year goal we have, and that's a vision of the dream we have.
That's a great dream, and we're going to get there. And I love that perspective, and it's probably a big reason why we love working with you, Abhay, and your team. It's been a pleasure talking to you today. Thank you so much for your time, and we're looking forward to continuing the great success that we've seen with TBM.
And it's a pleasure chatting with you as well. And I would just say, just to start, working for a vision or a dream, working with you guys to realize that vision into a goal or into something, we call it as a customer experience or a journey. And it's going to go on for this for many years from now.